Hello everyone, Jay Swaminarayan. Today's in the previous lecture I asked define the difference between static and dynamic identity. So here I am going to tell you in detail what is called self-esteem. What is it made of? Your self-esteem is made up of all the experiences and interpersonal relationships you have had in your life. आपका जो रिलेशंस पास्ट में और अभी कितना है एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस इट इज़ कॉल्ड सेल्फ एस्टीम. Everyone you have ever met has added to or taken away from how you see yourself. What exactly after 4 or 5 years you want to see yourself? And I have told you to define the difference between static and dynamic identity. Dynamic identity gives you the capacity to deal with ups and downs of life. It gives you the capacity to deal with ups and downs of life. Uh, I want to share with you there is one example of dynamic identity. The engineer with over 25 years of experience who feels my 25 years of experience has taught me to be open to new developments in my field. Look at this type of person. My 25 years of experience has taught me to be open to new developments in my field. New developments meaning a person who is a researcher or is a creator who wants to find out something new. I have so much to learn, especially from my younger colleagues in my field. So look at here, look at the difference between static and dynamic identity. Here in, I am also going to share you one example of dynamic identity. Aman has a dynamic identity. Here I am going to share you two examples. Rakesh has a static identity and Aman has a dynamic identity. Rakesh and Aman are content experts and are part of a team that is working towards a tough deadline. Both have completed their writing work and have handed it over. That is what they do next. Rakesh has a aesthetic identity. I'm a specialist in content writing. Rakesh, look at the static identity of example of Rakesh. I'm a specialist in content writing. I have completed my part of the work properly. I can hardly be of use in any other way. Here I am submitting my part of the work. It is all done. I am going to home right now. Next, Aman has a dynamic identity. I have completed my part of the work, but I can do a lot more on to help the team in meeting our goals within this deadline. So look at here on Aman has a dynamic identity who ever been ready to accept the challenges and to support his team members. Tell me, is there anything I can help you with? अभी भी वो पूछ रहा है कि क्या मैं आपको कोई और मदद करूँ. So you will look tired. Can I get you will some coffee? Why don't we try this out? It will help us accomplish the work faster. Here I am going to define the difference between static and dynamic identity. The effects of high self-esteem. Look at the title of dear all friends. The effects of high self-esteem. People with high self-esteem possess the following characteristics. They like to meet new people and ever been ready to accept the challenges also. They don't worry about how others will judge them. Look at how others will judge them. They want to judge their own selves. नहीं कि दूसरों को चांस देते हैं कि नहीं आप मुझे जज करिए. A person who wants to who am I? They have the courage to express themselves. Their lives are enriched with each new encounter. यहाँ पर एनकाउंटर रिसर्चर एंड क्रिएटर ऑफ समथिंग कि डे बाई डे वो एंड पाथ ऑफ सक्सेस में डे बाई डे वो कुछ न्यू एनरिचिंग सक्सेस डे बाई डे दे आर गोइंग टू सर्च समथिंग न्यू इन देयर ओन path. They are nicer to be around. Their ideas are met with interest because others want to hear what they have to say. So these are the effects of high self-esteem. Here I am going to share you one example of Kamal has a dynamic identity Oh no, I have lost so much money. I'm sad, no doubt, but I have life's greatest asset. This is my own inner strength and confidence. Using this, money can always be another again. कि मैं मनी चलो एक बार लॉस हो गया लेकिन मैं वापस अपने टैलेंट से अभी उदास हूँ लेकिन अपने टैलेंट से कॉन्फिडेंस है उसके अंदर इतना कमल के अंदर कि नहीं कि उदास है मनी कैन ऑलवेज बी अर्न अगेन एंड अगेन. So look at here, dear all, Kamal has a dynamic identity. The effects of high self-esteem, they are magnets to positive opportunities. Magnets का meaning है a piece of iron. People with high self-esteem have an I think I can. जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो मैं करूँगा ही. I can. I think I can attitude. Like Kamal, like Aman example. So I shared you 2 or 3 examples of dynamic identity. People with low self-esteem possess following characteristics, like they don't believe in themselves, rather they believe on others. They see themselves failing before they begin. कोई भी शुरुआत करने से पहले कुछ अच्छा कोई पॉजिटिव क्रिएटिविटी करने से पहले दे बिकम सेड, नहीं ये मुझसे नहीं होगा, नो. So never do this, dear all. You must have to accept the challenges which are coming on your path. They don't believe in themselves, they see themselves failing before they begin. So this is a chance and opportunity that you must start a new work with a great enthusiasm. So dynamic identity gives you the capacity to deal with ups and downs of life. Dynamic identity gives you the capacity to deal with ups and downs of life, whether it is personal or whether it is professional, dear all. The effects of low self-esteem, they have a hard time forgiving their mistakes. बहुत टाइम लगता है उनको. They can easily forget the mistake which is done by them and make themselves pay the price forever. They believe they can never be good as they should be or as others. Means कि they are comparing themselves to others कि हम दूसरों के जितने भी अच्छे नहीं हो सकते. They believe they can never be as good as they should be or as others. They are afraid to show their creativity. वो afraid है to show their creativity because they will be ridiculed. वो creativity बता नहीं सकते easily. They are static personality. They may be afraid of कि वो ridiculous हैं कि they can't show their creativity. They are dissatisfied with their lives also. They spend most of their time alone and alone. So not to mix with people. They complain and criticize also. The effects of self-esteem, they worry about everything. They worry about everything and do nothing. सबकी वो वरी करेंगे, चिंता करेंगे, but they never do and take any steps how to solve the problem. People with low self-esteem have an I can't do it attitude. People with low self-esteem उनका attitude कैसा, I can't do it, मैं ये कर ही नहीं सकता. So never do this. स्टेटिक एंडिंग आपके माइंड में कभी नहीं हो सकता, नहीं है. अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हो जस्ट सीखिए आप. यू मस्ट हैव टू ट्राई एंड ट्राई until the you can't achieve the success. Thank you very much, dear all.